Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the channel. So, today, it's gonna be our first upload. I just got a new bumper. That's my truck right there. And I just ordered one of these Move bumper kits from movebumpers.com. As you can tell by the garage back there, I do quite a bit of my own building and stuff. So, this should be pretty straightforward. We'll see. Anyway, a little about me. I'm a full-time gunsmith, along with my dad. This is actually his garage. So, I'm gonna say welding, fabricating, painting, all that stuff. It's right up our alley. So, we'll get all these parts laid out. Maybe get the welder busted out. I need to get the bumper off the truck. Everything I've read on this so far, I guess really the only right way to do it is to build the bumper on the truck unless you have a jig. I don't even have a welding table big enough to make a jig, so oh well. But here's what sucks. I got to take that bumper off, and you can see why. I have a broken headlight here. I've got new headlights as well, but little yellow pole at the bank wasn't me. So anyways, I'm going hunting this weekend. We're going deer hunting. I'm trying to leave on Friday. I don't think I'm going to have that welded and coated by Friday, but we'll see. Maybe. I've got a whole bunch of guns to fix. I still got to prep my trailer. Still got to prep the truck. Still got to shoot my bow. Still got to pack all my hunting stuff. Got a ton of laundry to do. My kids are coming over to the house from tonight until Friday morning. So I love my girls. They're the best. They're not great when you're trying to be productive though. Anyway, so I'm gonna get after it. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? So, the bumper's done. Done minus paint, tow hooks, and my winch set up. You can see I've got the garage pretty well cleaned up now. Anyway, there's the bumper. So, got all the welding and grinding done. Really happy with how my gaps turned out. Anyway, probably weld the tow hooks on tomorrow. I'm gonna go home, go to the pool, hang out with my kids for a bit. It's been a damn hot day, so I'm gonna go home, go swimming with the kids for a little while, come back tomorrow. It'll only take me probably 15 minutes to weld on those toe points. In fact, let's see. These guys. So, got options on where we can put them. Thinking right like that is gonna be the ticket. So, anyways, weld those on tomorrow, and then I'm probably just gonna knock this thing with like flat black. Just prime it and hit it flat black, just for the time being. I've still got to come up with a winch, some 1/4-inch plate, all that good stuff. So it's done, but it's not quite done. So we're gonna rattle can it black just for the time being. I'm hoping to get the winch here in the next week or so, and then get that all installed, get the rest of the inside of the bumper fabbed up for that. And then we'll take it all back apart, and it's going to go to either Armor Coatings or Powder Extreme Coatings here in the Salt Lake area. Yeah, trying to decide on whether I should color match it with the truck, or if I should just do black, if I should do Rhino liner. I don't know. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, fill you in with the rest next time.